Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Satomi. If you're new here, thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are a subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. Today's video is going to be a 15-minute clean with me. So what is a 15-minute clean with me? Well, if you're anything like me and you do not enjoy cleaning your house, okay, I've found that anyone can do anything for just 15 minutes. Now, don't get me wrong, I love to organize. That is my passion, but cleaning, not so much. So I've found something that works for me, and that is setting a timer for 15 minutes. And picking an area of my home and cleaning for only 15 minutes. So that means I'm not going to get to everything. Like today, I cleaned my kitchen, I wiped down my dining room table, and I was able to pick up my family room. So I didn't get to vacuum, I didn't clean any other area of my home, I just cleaned for 15 minutes. And you'll be so surprised how much you can actually get done in 15 minutes. So come along with me and let's clean.
Overthink much, tripping and falling all over these thoughts. Each one is telling me I'm not enough. Ooh, dang, it's time to show 'em who's boss, 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 boss. Show 'em who's boss, 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 boss. It's time to let this girl breathe. Bubbles in my back, I'm gonna put my feet up. Now I'm focused on me. Go right in the rack, up to my favorite song up. Let a girl breathe. This time I take control of it. Breathe. So let it, girl, concentrate. I'm over here trying to make my day great. If you don't wanna play, then it's your loss. Ooh, I've been thinking lately I was born to be a boss lady. Boss, 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 boss. Show 'em who's boss, 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 boss. It's time to let this girl breathe. Bubbles in my back, I'm gonna put my feet up. Now I'm focused on me. Go right in the rack, up to my favorite song up. Let a girl breathe. This time I take control of it. Breathe. 'Cause you're a boss, baby, boss lady. Ain't no looking back, we walk it off, baby. In charge, now we living large. I've been thinking lately I was born to be a boss lady, boss baby, boss lady. Ain't no looking back, we walk it off, baby. In charge, now we living large. I've been thinking lately I was born to be a boss lady. Boss, 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 boss. Show 'em who's boss, 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 boss. It's time to let this girl breathe. Bubbles in my back, I'm gonna put my feet up. Now I'm focused on me. Go right in the rack, up to my favorite song up. Let a girl breathe. This time I take control of it. Breathe. Oh, 'cause you're a boss, baby, boss lady. Ain't no looking back, we walk it off, baby. In charge, now we live it hard. I've been thinking lately I was born to be a boss lady.
I punch in my card, I know what it costs. Yeah, I put in the work that you don't. Day after day, I work and I play. Yeah, I'll do all the things that you won't. Even when my 'Cause every time the push comes to shove, I'm climbing over you to reach the top. 'Cause I want everything and nothing at all. Yeah, I want everything and nothing at all. 'Cause I want everything and nothing, 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 nothing at all. Don't care what you think or what you believe, 'cause I'm gonna turn the world upside down. If you want a shot, just step in the ring. Yeah, I'ma shake your bones like thunder. Even when my feet get tired, I will keep on moving higher. I'm the story you don't speak of. I'm the one they call the underdog. 'Cause every time the push comes to shove, I'm climbing over you to reach the top. 'Cause I want everything and nothing at all. Yeah, I want everything and nothing at all. 'Cause I want everything and nothing, 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 nothing at all. I don't want nothing at all, unless I can have it all. I don't want nothing, nothing at all. I don't want nothing at all, unless I can have it all. Nothing at all. Yeah, I am not the favorite son, but I'm the one who's been here all along. 'Cause every time the push comes to shove, I'm climbing over you to reach the top. 'Cause I want everything and nothing at all. Yeah, I want everything and nothing at all. 'Cause I want everything and nothing, 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 nothing at all.
So now you're here again, knocking at my door. A little too late for, I'm sorry for. The lights went out 'cause you kept cutting the cord, and I started to fade into your gray. See, I finally opened up my eyes, and I saw me coming back to life. That I'd be better without you inside. It's time to be someone I wanna recognize. The future starts right now. I made a reservation, but you never came, so I'm checking out. The fire you stole away, I know one day we'll come back around. The future is now. The future is now. The future is now. I waited for you in the passenger seat. There's only so far I can ride in your dreams, while you were chasing everything else but me. I'm starting to break out from your gray. See, I finally opened up my eyes, and I saw me coming back to life. That I'd be better without you inside. It's time to be someone I wanna recognize. The future starts right now. I made a reservation, but you never came, so I'm checking out. The fire you stole away, I know one day we'll come back around. The future is now. The future is now. I'm not backing down, 'cause the future is now. not backing down, 'cause the future is now.
Okay guys, so that's it for my 15-minute clean. So I didn't get everything done, like I mentioned. I didn't get to vacuum. I didn't move on to any other areas of my home. But in 15 minutes, I was able to clean my kitchen, and now I can use my kitchen. I could cook. I could use the counters. My dining room table was wiped down and ready to either eat at, or if my son and my husband and I want to play a game, the table is ready for us. And if we want to go watch a movie in the family room, it's ready for us. The couch is ready. It's nice and cleaned and picked up. So the key here is to keep it simple. If you feel like you have to clean your entire home, that can seem overwhelming. It could take a few hours, and we all sort of just get paralyzed and don't end up doing anything at all. But if you just say, I'm only gonna work for 15 minutes, you'd be surprised how much you get done. And one of two things will happen. Either A, you will continue to want to clean because you're already moving, and that's the hardest part, is to just get started. Or your 15 minutes is up and you're done. And even if you don't move on to any other area of the house, what you got done, you got done. So use a timer. Work only for 15 minutes. Keep it simple. I hope this video gave you the motivation that you need if that's what you're looking for. I'm Satomi, and I make videos showing you how I take care of my home, my family, and myself. If you need some motivation or you want some tips and tricks to take care of your home, your family, and yourself, then hit that subscribe button. I want to thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. If you enjoyed it, I would so appreciate it if you gave the video a thumbs up. You could follow me on Instagram at Satomi Christina. I hope you guys are all doing well, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!
'Cause you're a boss, baby, boss lady. Ain't no looking back, we walk it off, baby, in charge.